Greeting to the audience in front of this video. Today, we are going to present our project on the design of a sustainable indoor delivery robots with integrated wireless charging system. We have the teams from Xiamen University, Malaysia. Before we start, let us introduce for our team. I am Yi Kai, the group leader of this team. And Dr. Prakas is our advisor and he's the lecturer of Xiamen University, Malaysia as well. And they have another 4 group members in our team, which is Yuhan, Chen, Chang, Haoran, and Wang. So next, I will briefly introduce to you our project. Our project is about to doing a indoor life-following delivery robot with obstacle avoidance and wireless self-charging. So the operation of our robot is that when it detects the object on the robot, which is shown in the orange arrow, it is the object for delivery, and it will move from the starting point to the ending point. And at last, it automatically returns to a wireless charging station when the battery is low. So in the next slide, why we need to have this indoor delivery robot? We solve for the 4 problems. The first problem, because nowadays the manual indoor transportation is still very common, and we wish to be automatize it. And second is the work is tiring and unsafe as well as time consuming. So this will cost the extra downtime and labor as well as the extra cost. So last but not least, the SME needs a simple low-cost automation. So that's why this indoor delivery robot is suitable to solve for these problems. And our main concept for this robot is the run, charge, run robot. So in the next slide, these are the 2 objectives of our indoor delivery robot, and we are targeted on the autonomous line following and obstacle avoidance, as well as self-charging real wireless charging. So next, what are the overall goals and the target audience for our robot? Our overall goal for this indoor delivery robot is to aim on the automation to minimize the human doing for the repetitive tasks, as well as so that as a result, this can lead to the labor saving. And the second goal will be to minimize the human involvement in routing indoor delivery and reduce labor and down cost time. So what is the unique point for our robot and that difference with the another robot in the existing market? So first of all, it will be the wireless charging, and we will avoid to use the manual plug-in charging and we will transform to the wireless charging. And the second is that our circular charge for the indoor delivery robot is built-in wireless charging hotspot, and the robot will carry a receiver coil under the robot and it will stop to charge when the both coil aligns. And last but not least, this is the very important point, is that our robot is fully operation in 24 hours for 7 days with the minimum human intervention. So what inspired us to do this indoor delivery robot? We inspired from the home cleaning robots. Just use the same idea in different applications. So in our future plan, our robot is going automatically to the charging points when ideal and low battery low. So we are not planned for the consumer users, but we will transform the device to be used in the factory or industry as well. So what are the benefits for our robot to the intended users and society? The first of all is the lower operational times and for the factories, because the one robot can replace the repetitive transport work done by several workers over the time. So besides, our robot can lead to higher efficiency with automated charging. We can less manual battery handling and the fewer interruption to the production. So the third advantages will be the less contactless, and it can protect the workers safe and healthy. Last but not least, our indoor delivery robot align with the future trends, which is the Industry 4.0, and also support the sustainable and urban service as well. So for our business model, we are plan to use the cost-effective platform, simple go-to-market strategy, as well as our revenue model. As you can see, we're not only selling the robot, we also provide after-sales service for the robot as well. And we also scalable to a family of products. Last but not least, our indoor delivery robot also support and align with the 2 SDG goals, which is SDG 9 and SDG 11. So for our project, we are currently in an early proof of concept project stage within our custom program in our university. So our main focus will be on the core functions such as the autonomous line tracking, wireless charging, and safe indoor delivery, and refining the user scenarios. So in our next phase, we will try to polish our prototype by upgrading it so that our indoor delivery robot can move without ride tracking and with the autonomous obstacle for the robot. So here are some of the research evidence that we use in this presentation. So thank you for listening.